Good evening, friends. Today's lesson plan is about factorization from the unit of algebra. First, name of the student teacher, name of the guide teacher, name of the school, standard, subject, unit, algebra, topic, factorization, number of students, and date. Instructional objectives. Instructional objectives. General instructional objectives. The student acquires knowledge about factorization, recalls about multiplication, learns about factorization using identity and factorizing the quadratic polynomial in bracket trinomial. Learns about factorization using identity and factorizing the quadratic polynomial in bracket trinomial. Understands the concept of factorization, develop the skill of identification. Next one is specific instructional objectives. The student describe about factorization, illustrate the examples for factorization, list out two important ways of factorization, compute the problem of factorization, formulates factorization using identity, evaluate the problem by factorization using identity, explain factorizing the quadratic polynomial in bracket trinomial, enumerate these steps to factorize the quadratic polynomial, solve the problem by factorize, Next one is utilization of teaching aids. Chart and flashcard. Previous knowledge of the learner. Teacher verify the previous knowledge of the students through probing questions like what is meant by factorization? What are the two important ways of factorization? Next one is motivation. The teacher motivates the students to learn about the concept of factorization. She has written the topic on the blackboard and underline it. Next, methods of teaching. We have to do 4 partition: specification of behavioral objectives, content, teaching learning experience, Evaluation. In the first row, first box, describe about factorization. Describe about factorization. The next box, factorization is a reverse of multiplication. Factorization is a reverse of multiplication. The process of converting the given higher degree polynomial as the product of factors of its lower degree which cannot be further factorized is called factorization. In the next box, the teacher describes about the factorization. The student listens silently. In the last box, describe factorization, question mark. In the second row, illustrate the example for factorization. Illustrate the example for factorization. In the second box, write some example. Multiply x plus 2 and x plus 3. We get product x square plus 5x plus 6. Factorize x square plus 5x plus 6. We get factors x plus 2 and x plus 3. Then we have to put box and we have to do two partition. In first box, x plus 3 into x plus 2, that is x into x plus 2 plus, that is x into x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2. Next line, x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, that is x square plus 5x plus 6. So this is called multiplication method, multiply. The other side, x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 2. This is factorization method. This is factorization method. Here x into x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2, that is x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, that is x square plus 5x plus 6. So this is called factorize method. The next box, the teacher explains the example problem for factorization by using chart. The student observes it. Then we have to paste the chart, write it inside factorization. In the last box, give one example for factorization. In the next row, list out two important ways of factorization. In the next box, by taking common factor AB plus AC, that is AB plus AC, that is A into B plus A into C. A of B plus C factor method. Number 2 is by grouping them. A plus B minus PA minus PB, that is A plus B minus P of A plus B group in pairs, that is A plus B into 1 minus P factored form. In the next box, the teacher explains about the two important ways of factorization by using flashcard. Then we have to paste the flashcard, write it inside what are the two ways of factorization. At the down, the student understand easily. In the last box, list out the two important ways of factorization. In the last box, list out the two important ways of factorization. In the next box, in the next row, first box, compute the problem of factorization. Here we have to write some example. Factorize the following: 5a minus 10b minus 4bc plus 2ac. That is 5a minus 10b plus 2ac minus 4bc. That is 5 of a minus 2b plus 2c of a minus 2b. That is a minus 2b into 5 plus 2c. A minus 2b into 5 plus 2c. In the next box, the teacher explains the problem by using blackboard. So we have to paste the black chart at here, write it inside factorization. The students take notes in their note. Factorize the following: am plus bm plus cm. In the next row, first box, formulates factorization using identity. In the next box, write all the formulas. First one, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Second one is a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. Third one, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Fourth one is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Fifth one, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Sixth one is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Seventh one is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab equal to bracket a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And the next box, the teacher explains the formula for factorization using identity in blackboard. The student memorizes the formula. What is the formula for a cube plus b cube? Question mark. In the next row, first box, evaluate the problem by factorization using identity. In the next box, give some example. Factorize the following: 2x power 4 minus 16xy cube. That is 2x power 4 minus 16xy cube equal to 2x into x cube minus 8y cube equal to, in the next line, equal to 2x of x cube minus 2y whole cube, 2y of whole cube. In the bracket, since a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, close the bracket. That is equal to 2x bracket x minus 2y into x square plus x into 2y plus 2y square, 2y whole square, close the bracket. The next line, 2x of x minus 2y into x square plus 2xy plus 4y square. I'll show you in closely. In the next box, the teacher explains the problem by using the blackboard. The student listen carefully and take notes. In the last box, solve by factorization using identity. 27x cube plus 125y cube. 27x cube plus 125y cube. In the next row, explain factorizing the quadratic polynomial. Explain factorizing the quadratic polynomial in the bracket trinomial. In the bracket trinomial. In the next box, ax square plus bx plus c, comma, a not equal to 0. The linear factors of ax square plus bx plus c will be in the form kx plus m and lx plus n. Therefore, ax square plus bx plus c equal to kx plus m into lx plus n. In the next line, equal to klx square plus lm plus kn of x plus mn. Comparing coefficients of x square, comma, x and constant term c on both sides. We have a equal to kl, b equal to lm plus kn and c equal to mn, where ac is product of kl and mn, that is equal to the product of lm and kn, which are the coefficient of x. Therefore k into mn equal to lm into kn. In the next box, the teacher explained about factorizing the quadratic trinomial. The teacher explained about factorizing the quadratic polynomial in the bracket trinomial. The student keenly observes the class. In the last box, explain factorizing the quadratic polynomial. Explain factorizing the quadratic polynomial in the bracket trinomial, question mark. In the next row, enumerate the steps to factorize the quadratic polynomial. Enumerate the steps to factorize the quadratic polynomial. In the next box, step 1, multiply the coefficients of x square and constant term, that is AC. Multiply the coefficients of x square and constant term, that is AC. Step 2, split AC into two factors whose sum and product is equal to B and AC respectively. Step 2. Split AC in two factors whose sum and product is equal to B and AC respectively. Step 3. The terms are grouped into two pairs and factorize. The terms are grouped into two pairs and factorize. In the next box, the teacher explains the steps need to be followed during factorize. The student understand the concept. The last box, what are the steps need to be followed? In the next row, solve the problem by factorize. Solve the problem by factorize. In the next box, give some example. Factorize 2x square minus 15x plus 27. Solution. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 15, c equal to 27. Therefore, product AC equal to 2 into 27 equal to 54. Sum b equal to minus 15. We split the middle term as minus bx and we split the middle term as minus 6x and minus 9x. Minus 6x and minus 9x. 2x square minus 15x plus 27 equal to 2x square minus 6x minus 9x plus 27, that is equal to 2x bracket x minus 3 minus 9 into bracket x minus 3 equal to bracket x minus 3 into bracket 2x minus 9. Therefore, x minus 3 and 2x minus 9 are the factors of 2x square minus 15x plus 27. In the next box, the teacher explains the problem in blackboard. The students take notes in their note. In the last box, factorize 2x square plus 15x plus 27. X square plus 15x plus 27. Next one is summarize. The teacher summarizes the overall concept of factorization. Summarize. The teacher summarizes the overall concept of factorization. Next one is follow-up activities. Factorize the following: 9x square plus 12xy plus 4y square. Second one is factorize the following: 216 m cube minus 343 n cube. 216 m cube minus 343 n cube. Third one is factorize 6x square plus 16xy plus 8y square. Then at last, signature of the student teacher and signature of the guide teacher. Okay friends, if you like this video, please like it, comment it, share it and subscribe our bell button. Okay friends, thank you.